Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, November the 30th, 2022, last day of the month. 1 month to go for 2023. Yes. And in this additional, I've already solved two puzzles. There's 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. And in Japanese, they call it Suguru. But I think you are interested in this one. Yes, the binary puzzle. Binary time. Yes, and this will be number 5564. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 14. All right. 14. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8, a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then, yeah. Then. Let me see. Need to think. I know between between a one and an O with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a one there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Then. Let me see. We have not completed the columns in the rows. O and a one here. O and a one there. O and a one there. Yeah. What's happening? Well, I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box will be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 3 O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1 completed, 2 completed columns. Well. Double O, here 1, there 1. Overlook this double O. Well. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Overlook this one again. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. And here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, 4 O's, then we have here 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Well. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. Well, 3, 4. Time to compare. 01. Yes, let me compare this row and that row. Empty box 110011001100. Empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1s comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Completed in 6 minutes. Oh, right. Only one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle. Yeah, the last puzzle of today is a tectonic. Tectonic with 4 stars. So until then, bye bye for now.